Good morning, students. We were thinking that the school will open and you will all come to school, but it's our bad luck because of COVID 19. The schools have not started, we have not got permission to call the children. So, again, for some time till the school reopens, we have to pull on with the online lesson. I hope you all are safe, good by health. Everybody in your house are safe without any problem. And being small children, I hope that you are not going out, you are in the house listening to your parents. So I welcome you on these online classes as we are starting it from this week. Today I am going to teach a lesson, that is lesson number 1. Some children might not be having books, so I have put the photo of the page, number 5. The title of the lesson is Gulliver in Lilliput. Now children, Gulliver in Lilliput means, for example, Rohit in Manmad. A boy Rohit or a man Manoj in Manmad. Lilliput is a place, and in that place there is a person named Gulliver who was a doctor, and I will tell you the story of this doctor. The following simplified extract is from Gulliver's Travel. This extract, this lesson, this story, this paragraph is from the Gulliver's Travel. Means Gulliver travels from one place to another and what has happened to him. Gulliver, a doctor of an English ship. Gulliver was a doctor and he was traveling by an English ship. Gets shipwrecked. What is the meaning of wrecked? Like you go on the motorbike, you dash somewhere, or you meet with an accident by a car. Same way, the ship goes and dashes in some of the big, highest rocks in the sea. So same way, this doctor was traveling, Gulliver was traveling in a ship, and ship is wrecked in the Atlantic. Atlantic means where? Atlantic Ocean, in the sea. Somehow he reaches an island. What is the meaning of island? A place somewhere in the sea where there is no water. All around the water is there and some land is there in the middle of the sea. That is known as island, which is inhabited by very little people. No people are there, because I don't think people like Maharashtra, like people like staying in Bombay, Manmad, will live in an island, because it is surrounded by sea. You don't get all the things what is required. So that is why a very few people were staying on that island. When the ship is wrecked, is dashed to a big rock, the ship gets damaged, everything goes here and there. And since Gulliver could swim, he anyhow reaches an island, a place where there is no water with very few people. And when he reaches there, he is very tired. He goes to sleep. What happens when he wakes up, we will see. अभी तुमको ये बताना है, गलीवर एक इंग्लिश डॉक्टर है। गलीवर एक इंग्लिश डॉक्टर है। वो एक शिप से, एक जहाज से सफ़र कर रहा था और वह जहाज समुद्र में कहीं तो भी जाकर टकराया। जहाज का सारा नुकसान हो गया। गलीवर नाम का जो डॉक्टर था, उसको तैरना आता था। वो तैरते हुए एक टापू पर पहुंच गया, आइलैंड, जहाँ पर बहुत कम लोग रहते थे। जैसे ही जहाज में से पानी में तैरते हुए वो एक टापू पर आ गया, एक आइलैंड पर आ गया। थका हुआ था और उस टापू पे वो सो गया। सोने के बाद जब वो जागा तो उसने क्या महसूस किया, यह हम देखेंगे। वी विल सी। ही वॉज टायर्ड, ही वेंट टू स्लीप, एंड वेन ही वोक अप, व्हाट हैज हैपेंड टू हिम। I will read you the lesson and I will explain you. I attempt to rise but was not able to move. I means I, myself, but not I. Gulliver is saying, Gulliver बोल रहा है, I attempt to rise but I could not be able to move. मैं सोया हुआ था और नींद खुलने के बाद में मैंने उठने की कोशिश की। आई थॉट ऑफ गेटिंग अप। राइज मीन्स टू गेट अप फ्रॉम द स्लीप, बट आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू मूव। ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू मूव। वाई? वी विल सी। I found my arms and legs were strongly fastened to the ground. Because what happened? Gulliver was a huge person and the people, जो लोग वहाँ रहते थे, सब बौने थे, छोटे छोटे थे। 6 इंच के लोग थे। गलीवर 6, 6.5, 7 फुट का आदमी था। He was sleeping on the island. These people came and fastened him to the ground. उन्होंने उसको पक्का रस्सी से बांध के रखा। सब तरह से नुकीले खिले ठोक कर रस्सी से उसको बांध के रखा। They tied him from all the sides. They tied him from all the sides. सब तरह से बांध के रखने के बाद में my hair, which was long and thick, was tied down in the same manner. My body was tied with the string. रस्सी से बांधा था। My hair was long and thick. मेरे बाल यानी गलीवर के बाल, गलीवर्स हेयर वर थिक एंड लॉन्ग, मोटे और लंबे थे। तो उन्होंने गलीवर के बालों को भी बांध के रख दिया, जैसे उन्होंने उसके शरीर को, हाथ और पैरों को रस्सी से बांधा था, उसी तरह से उसके बाल भी उन्होंने जमीन पे उसी तरह से खिले ठोक कर उन्होंने उसको बांध के रखा। दे टाइड देयर हेयर ऑल्सो हैज दे टाइड his arms and legs with the rope, with the string. Beside, I felt several strings all over my body. Not only they tied my hair, they tied my arms and legs, but they put several strings. बहुत से रस्सियां उसके शरीर पर भी उन्होंने बांध दी। I could only look upwards. I could only look upwards. Because you know, when you are sleeping on your back and your full body is tied up, you are not able to move. What will happen? You can only see up. Neither you can see down, neither you can see on the side or anywhere. तुम कहीं भी देख नहीं सकते हो। जब पीठ पे सोए हुए तुमको बांधा हुआ है तो तुम सिर्फ ऊपर देख सकते हो। उसी तरह से गलीवर सिर्फ ऊपर देख सकता था। I had a strange noise around me, but as I lay on my back, I could not see anything. I heard a strange noise. Strange. What is the meaning of strange? Strange means what? I will tell you the meaning of strange. Which unknown. Unknown noise was heard by Gulliver. उसको भयानक आवाज, अनजानी आवाज सुनाई दे रही थी. But as I lay on my back, I could see nothing. और वो उसके पीठ पे लेटा हुआ था, वो बांधा गया था, वो कुछ नहीं देख सकता था. In a little time, I felt something alive moving on my left leg. In a little time, थोड़े देर के बाद, I felt something alive moving on my left leg. मैंने देखा मेरे दाएं पैर पे, लेफ्ट पैर पे कुछ जिंदी चीज घूम रही है. Alive, something alive जिसमें जान है, is moving on my left leg. मेरे दाएं पैर पे कोई जीवित चीज घूम रही है. Advancing quietly forward over my body, और that was coming towards his body from the left leg towards his body. दाएं पैर से उसके शरीर पर ऊपर आने की कोशिश कर रहा था. It came almost to my chin. Chin बोले तो अपनी दाढ़ी. Left leg, from left leg, that alive thing came walking till my chin. मेरे दाढ़ी तक वो जीवित प्राणी मुझे मेरे दाढ़ी तक आते हुए दिखा. Because I could see up. Bending my arms downward as much I could. जितना भी मुझे झुक के मैं देख सकता था. I saw that it was a little man. वो जीवित वस्तु क्या थी? एक आदमी था. I could see when it came near my chin. I bent my eyes as much I can, and I saw that it was a little man, hardly 6 inches high. आदमी की हाइट होती है 4 फुट, 3 फुट, 5 फुट, 6 फुट. मगर ये आदमी जो दाएं पैर से उनके दाढ़ी तक पहुंचा, वो खाली 6 इंच था. 6 इंच यानी अपनी छोटी रूलर होती है उतना. Like the small ruler. That man who came from the left leg to his chin was only 6 inches high, with a bow and arrow in his hands. And what did he have in his hands? Bow and arrow. Bow and arrow, you know. तुमको मालूम है bow and arrow. Bow and arrow, एक बाण, धनुष्य बाण जैसा लेकर वो उसके चेहरे तक आ रहा था. I felt at least 40 more men of the same kind following the first. और फिर क्या देखा? उसी तरह के 6 इंचेस के आदमी लोग बो और एरो लेके, धनुष्य बाण लेकर 40 लोग उसके तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं. They are coming towards him as the first man who came from my left leg. उसके दाएं पैर से उसके चेहरे तक, दाढ़ी तक जो एक पहला आदमी आया, गलीवर ने देखा ऐसे ही 40 आदमी आ रहे हैं. दे आर कमिंग फॉलोइंग द फर्स्ट वन, जो पहला आया था उसके पीछे पीछे आ रहे थे. आई वॉज ग्रेटली एस्टॉनिश्ड. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एस्टॉनिश्ड? सरप्राइज्ड, आश्चर्यचकित होना. गलीवर आश्चर्यचकित हुआ. ही वॉज ग्रेटली एस्टॉनिश्ड and cried out loudly that they all ran back in fear. Gulliver was surprised to see these 40 people coming on his body, following the first man. He was surprised, but at the same time, he cried loudly. बोले तो वो रोया क्या? नहीं, वो चिल्लाया. He shouted with surprise. because he has not seen such tiny people any time, and these 40 people with bow and arrow coming towards his body. So he was surprised. At the same time, he shouted loudly. They all ran back in fear. और these people, ये लोग इतने छोटे थे. Gulliver was so huge, tall. He shouted so loudly that this all man ran back in fear. डर के मारे वो सब लोग पीछे भाग गए. Some of them, as I was afterwards told, they were hurt in leaping from my sides to the ground. उसमें से 40 लोगों में से जो लोग उसके शरीर पे चढ़ रहे थे, जब उसने चिल्लाया, वो आवाज़ से डर के भाग रहे थे. When they were running, they were frightened. They were trying to rescue themselves. They were trying to save themselves. उनको बचाने के लिए वो जब भाग रहे थे, जैसे उसके शरीर पे से नीचे उतर रहे थे, they were hurt. बाद में गलीवर को बोला गया, it was told to Gulliver later on, as they were running, when Gulliver was sleeping, these people were 6 inches. They felt like it is a mountain, it is a hill, and they are like we people. If you are climbing some hill or mountain, and if you slip, you fall, you get hurt. Same way, these people were, many people were hurt in limping from my sides to the ground. मेरे शरीर के बाजू से उतरते हुए उनको बहुत सा मार लगा, ऐसे गलीवर को बाद में मालूम पड़ा. They afterwards Gulliver came to know, as they were running from his body, because his body was so huge and these people were only 6 inches, as they were running, trying to save their life. When they were jumping from his body, most of them were hurt, यानी उनको मार लगा, किसको फ्रैक्चर हुआ, किसको कुछ हुआ. A different type incident happened as they were running back. However, they soon returned. उन लोग वापस आ गए. One of them who ventured so far as to get full view of my face. Ventured. What is the meaning of ventured? Was brave enough to take the risk. However, they soon returned. वापस आ गए. They came back. One of them who ventured so far as to get full view of my face. एक ने हिम्मत बताई. He became brave. Ventured to means to become brave, take risk, to take the full view of my face. Lifted up his hands and eyes in admiration. आश्चर्य से दूर से जाके मेरा पूरा चेहरा दिखेगा, वहां से वो देखने लगा. Crying out in loud and clear voice, और वो चिल्लाने लगा जोर से, क्लियर वॉइस में, इन अ क्लियर वॉइस, हेके नाके दुगुल. हेके नाके दुगुल. Now what do you mean by हेके नाके दुगुल? Children, can you tell me what is the meaning of हेके नाके दुगुल? Words in that native language of the people of Lilliput. Like we are staying in Manmad, Maharashtra, we speak Marathi. You stay in Kerala, you speak Malayalam. You stay in Karnataka, you speak Kannada. So the people of Lilliput, that man who said in a loud voice, Heke Nake Dugul, that words were said in their language. In the language of the people of Lilliput. Lilliput में रहने वाले जो लोग हैं, वो जो लैंग्वेज बात करते हैं, वो लैंग्वेज में वो बोला. The others repeated the same word, और दूसरों ने भी वही वर्ड्स उसके पीछे बोलने लगे. They started repeating that several times, but I did not know what they meant. मगर मुझे नहीं मालूम, गलीवर बोलता है, क्या उसका मतलब वो क्या बोल रहे थे. हेके नाका दुगुल मीन्स क्या? I told you, is the language of the people in Lilliput. उनके लैंग्वेज में, लिलीपुट के लैंग्वेज में उन्होंने जोर से चिल्लाया, हेके नाके दुगुल. The others repeated the same words as I told you several times. बहुत बार वैसा बोला उन्होंने. But I did not know what they meant. मगर मुझे उस बात का कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया. I lay all this while as the reader may believe. As I lay all this while as the reader may believe means I laid all the while. जब तक उन्होंने मुझे छोड़ा नहीं तब तक मैं वैसा ही पढ़ा रहा. जो ये पढ़ रहा है वो समझ सकेगा. In great uneasiness. Now you tell me, I am free. I can move, I can talk, I can look everywhere. But if I am tied with ropes, my head is tied, my hands are tied, my legs are tied, do you feel I will be free? No. I will feel very uneasy. I will feel very uneasy. The same way Gulliver says that I lay all the while as the reader may believe. Means those who are reading this will not believe that it was great uneasiness. It was very uneasiness. Uneasiness बोलो तो मेरे पास कोई चारा नहीं था. I had no option. I had to just lie down uneasinessly. It was very difficult for me to bear all this thing. At last, struggling to get loose, at last, struggling to get loose. At last, what did it do? You also, what you will do? If you are tied up, you will struggle. You will, you see in the movies also, pictures also, dramas also. If you have both hands are tied up, your legs are tied up, you try, you struggle. For what you struggle? For food? To eat something? No. To untie yourself. जहाँ पर तुमको बांधा है वहाँ से छूटने की हम कोशिश करते हैं. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन. द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ पेज नंबर 6 आई शैल टीच यू इन द नेक्स्ट पीरियड. हैव अ नाइस डे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. Regards to you and your parents.